Hey future app creators, looking to build your first app but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best AI tools for app builder beginners in 2025. Let's dive in. First up is Adalo AI. Known for its simple drag-and-drop interface, Adalo now features an AI assistant that can generate layouts and even automate logic flows. It's perfect for creating beautiful apps without writing a single line of code. Second is Builder.ai. It's like hiring a team of developers in your pocket. Just describe your idea in plain English, and the AI turns it into a working app. Ideal for startups and solo creators with zero coding skills. Number 3 is Glide. If you've got data in Google Sheets, Glide can transform it into a mobile or web app in minutes. Their AI now helps you design smarter layouts and automate app behavior. Fourth on our list is Softer AI. It turns your Airtable or Notion databases into sleek web apps. Their new AI features suggest components, improve UX, and handle logic setup for you. And finally, Thunkable. Known for its block-based builder, Thunkable now includes AI tools that recommend components based on your app's purpose, making it even easier for beginners. Whether you're building your first app or testing a startup idea, these AI tools will save you time and stress. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite tool below. Happy building!